Good everybody. Today we are looking at how we can use Python to solve area of triangle using Hero's formula. Using Hero's formula is very common in mathematics to solve problem. So we want to use Python to solve that similar problem. Now let's go to our file, new, that is ultimate hotkey with insert. Then you select Python file, and here we want to call it triangle. Let's call it triangle. So let's hit enter. So it's going to bring a new editor for us, and this a new editor, what we are going to do here is we want to look at how we can manage this. Let's look at the first one is input. Let's write program to find area of triangle. Yeah, then the first one is input variables. As we all know, under input variable we have ABC. So let's say A is equal to float open bracket input open bracket quote put, let me use another language, put or side A. So let's copy this here, paste here, paste. Then let's change to input B. This one is B, this one is B as well. Let's change this one to C, this one also to C, this to C. So this next one is to find the S. Now to find the S, let's say S is equal to you can say A plus B plus C, close bracket, then open bracket /2 /2.0 is the same thing as /2, then enter. Then what S to find the area? Now area is going to be is equal to let's put this way, open brackets S minus A, S asterisk open bracket S minus A asterisk open bracket S minus B outside asterisk S minus C. So all these are, then we can now put we can put import, what you call it, the complex, I say input, but let me try this first. This one we say double asterisk dot 5, that is the square root of everything that is inside the bracket from here down here. So then we have to put print the area of triangle is this. To bring the float of the area, that's the essence of this one. So let's run it. So 2 3 4, then it's going to give the answer. Now you can see it's very simple, only that you need to be very careful when you are using all this. This is the code that will bring the float of area of triangle that you have run here. So that is exactly what we are doing in this. So that is it.